50 Lima X-ray, flighting 175, runway 20, cleared for takeoff.
JetBlue 1554, watch star, runway 4, line from wait, traffic lands, runway 1.
Line up for wait, runway 4, JetBlue 1554.
Southwest 2937, taxi Alpha.
Southwest 2937, Washington ground, give way to the American Airbus left to right, runway 1. Taxi via Kilo Charlie, cross forward Charlie, pull over to the right, tower on the other side.
All right, after American, going to 1, Kilo Charlie, cleared across 4, let's stay to the right, Southwest 2937.
713, contact on departure of your flight.
Switch to departure, American 713, good day.
Southwest 2830, traffic departs off to the left, this is traffic on the 6 mile final, runway 1, line up and wait.
Runway 1, line up and wait, Southwest 2830.
JetBlue 1554, traffic pulls off your right, wind calm, runway 4, clear for takeoff. Blue Street 5226, left turn at November behind the Embraer, ground point 7.
Left turn November behind Embraer, ground point 7, Blue Street 5226.
Stop. Stop, Southwest 2937, stop.
We stopped, we were cleared to cross runway 4.
And we stopped JetBlue 1554.
Southwest 2830, runway 1, clear for takeoff.
Runway 1, clear for takeoff, Southwest 2830.
JetBlue 1554, do you have room to get around the Southwest or even double back onto runway 4 full length?
Looks like we can make a left on Alpha, JetBlue 1554.
Thank you, sir. JetBlue 1554, left Alpha, back to Zulu, short of runway 4, and advise ready.
Okay, left on Alpha, Zulu, short of runway 4. We'll let you know, JetBlue 1554.
Ground Southwest 2937, where do you want us to go?
Southwest 2937, continue across runway 4 at Charlie.
Okay, clear across runway 4 at Charlie, 2937.
JetBlue 1554, how much longer do you guys need, just for planning purposes? You are fine right there. No one else is coming from behind. Do as you need and call me back. Brickyard 5682, ground point 7, bye-bye.
Ground point 7, bye-bye, Brickyard 5682.
Tower 2937, I guess you need a phone number. Ready?
Oh, yes, of course. Let me know when you have the pen ready.
Go ahead.
703. And then when prompted, press 1, and we'll be talking to you soon.